Ciclistas, my name is Mel Aquino.
At ako naman si JB.
And ito ang Featured Bike of the Week. Sir Jobert, this is a new bike. Medyo kakaiba to ha. Ang laki nito. So, ano ba itong butong siklo na to?
This is Maxim 400i.
Wow. So, pagka sinabing I, it is fuel injected.
Yes. This is actually 24.35 cubic inches.
Wow. So, napakalaki pala na itong scooter to. I saw a lot of scooters, pero this bike is design na talagang malaki. Pwede ba siya sa expressway?
Actually, pasok na siya sa expressway.
Oh, pero yung scooter na to is a 400cc, ibig sabihin napaka-komportable at saka convenient gamitin to.
Yung torque niya is actually around 33.9 Nm and ang horsepower niya is 35 horsepower.
Wow.
So,
napakalakas na
malakas yung motor. I mean, for the size and for the weight. It feels like ang dala mo maliit na kargadong motorsiklo.
Wow, so etong seat height niya, sir. Gaano kataas tong seat height na to?
The height of the bike is actually 1400 millimeters, so that's 55.1 inches.
So ngayon,
for anybody who's around 5'6",
5'6",
kayang-kaya ng dalhin itong motor.
Eksakto, 5'6 ako. Tingnan natin ha, sasakyan ko itong bike na to ha. I'm 5'6 feet. Uy, magaan siya At nakita natin yung cut dito, eksakto yung paa mo, you can touch the ground. If you're a 5'6 average Filipino rider, napaka-komportableng gamitin.
It's designed for Filipino riders talaga.
Wow. So ang SYM or yung SIM, it is anong company to, sir? It's
Taiwanese company.
Wow.
Actually, SIM is one of the best manufacturers for scooters, namely Maxi scooters in Europe. Tapos nag-market na sila sa Asia.
Yes.
Tapos malaki din ang market natin dito sa Pilipinas for SIM motorcycles.
Wow. Pero as you can see, nakita mo, sinasakyan ko siya. And abot yung pa ako. It's a relaxed riding comfort. Pati yung optimized riding posture. Mapapansin yung pantay yung braso. So madali siyang iliko.
Very comfortable siya talaga.
Very comfortable. Talagang makikita nyo may option na side mirror. Ang dami. Maganda. Parang kotse na rin, no?
Parang kotse na rin siya. And the mere fact that it is an EFI engine, it actually rides around 27 to 28 kilometers to a liter.
Wow.
Matipid siya considering na 400cc siya.
Okay siya. Special features siya. Meron siyang mga compartments dito. No?
Marami siyang
mapapansin
compartments.
natin, marami siyang pwedeng ilagay.
May RPM siya, speedometer, may trip meter siya.
Yes.
Mga standard features niya, it features dual disc optional ABS for front.
That's one safety feature, yeah.
Disc brake din siya sa likod.
Disc brake front and rear.
So the stopping power of this motorcycle is really good.
So the controls also is very simple. Madaling i-check yung speedometer, yung RPM, yung fuel gauge, temperature. Kumpleto siya. Meron
nothing
yung engine
distracting.
switch.
Hindi siya nakaka-distract.
Exactly, yung utility box niya, silipin natin, sir, kung gaano kalaki ang laman niya. So, paano binubuksan yung likuran?
Meron tayong button dito sa handlebar.
Okay.
And meron tayong key option to open. Just push and then twist. Pero right now, ang opening natin is through
okay
push button.
Tumulong na siya. No? So, silipin natin yung ilalim. Wow, napakalaki ng compartment niya. Siguro, pwede ka na maglagay dito ng tanghalian, tsaka hapunan.
Oo.
Tsaka a full-size helmet can fit actually here in the compartment area, yung seat compartment niya. So, ito ay Euro
3 standard with EPA, DOT, and CARB specs.
Standards.
Standards.
So, ibig sabihin mga kaibigan, ito ay pasado sa mga emission test. So, wala kayong magiging problema. It's a motorcycle, environment friendly. Ayan.
Tama.
Ayos pala to eh. So, sa tingin sir, magkano nagre-range ang presyo na itong SYM?
It's around 300,000 plus.
Okay.
At least hindi siya 1,000 per cc.
Okay.
So, the value for a scooter, a maxi scooter, na pwede mong ipasok sa expressway, is talagang bang for the buck.
Bang for the buck. Oh. If you're interested, you can check out the SYM dealers regarding the SYM Maxim 400i. It's an EFI motorcycle, environment-friendly, magaan sa gasolina, powerful, at very convenient gamitin. So this is the SYM Maxim 400i. See you, Ciclistas!